Hello everyone, this is Khaldun from Kanen Coffee. Today we're going to test this beautiful Breville Oracle Touch espresso machine. It comes to us with like a few issues. One of them was like the main thing, the machine was working random, start steaming by itself, or like when you steam, keep steaming all the time, or brewing, or didn't like do whatever you want. So when I test the machine, I find a huge leak in the top of the steam boiler, and that was because of these O-rings here. It's on these water level probes, and the probes itself was actually broken and leaking also from the top here. So in order to stop that leak, I just like replaced the whole 3 probes and all the O-rings in the steam boiler, and to prevent that from happening again, I need to flush both boilers. So I did tune up for the machine, and to make sure that the board not gonna do that random stuff again, I just like clean it with electronic cleaner and put it back. So, and also I just like also clean and calibrate that grinder. I give it deep cleaning. So let's go ahead and test it, make a espresso shot on that. Try here. Actually, always the customer can recalibrate the machine to do it like as he likes. The grinder have now more margin to make it finer or coarser. There you go. Nice shot, perfect prima. Even with these like testing beans, it's not the perfect beans, but yeah, let me test the steamer. This is perfect. And the hot water. Everything functioning perfect now. Thank you for watching.